Today is a very exciting day in the life of Free Spirit Designs and Free Spirit Bundle. So we are getting to do our first nonprofit install today for a single mom and her 2 children. It is the bundle blessing because of subscribers who subscribe to the Living Beyond Ordinary bundle. I take a portion of every single subscription sold, every single gift bundle from the website, and we are able to bless a family in need who has walked through divorce with hope and light by giving them a total free room makeover. And we also received a donation which allowed us to expand a little bit into different parts of the downstairs. I'm so thrilled and beyond excited to be able to show people in this crazy world that there is hope. So let's go. This is Tandy.
Hello.
She's an amazing asset to Free Spirit team. Some kind of little drop zone in the foyer area. It's funny because when we came here, Lisa and I took notes and measurements, but that was based on the model, so already I can see things aren't going to work out. But I trust that it will all in the end. This wall right here is going to get wallpaper, a beautiful wallpaper from my favorite, Anthropology, that Lisa and I found. And we discovered that we have a blue light, which is a problem. So we're hoping Lowe's or Home Depot today will rescue us and give us a beautiful light. I don't usually shop that kind of stuff local. I usually find lighting online, but it's going to be great. So this will be their little sitting area for her and her kids. And then we have a couple bar stools and some fun bar lighting that I found at Target. And there'll be a rug here. And this is a table. This is one of the only pieces that this mom, Rachel, brought to her home. So we're going to bump this guy down for another kind of foyer extension. And we got a beautiful mirror to hang above that. The bathroom is pretty basic, but we're just going to switch out the lighting and give her a mirror because there is not one. And in the kitchen, Erica, she's on our team, a huge asset, and she's amazing at ironing. She's so fast. Over here, we'll have the TV console and the TV. And these are my parents. They are such a blessing and gift, and they're building furniture. We had to do this on a really small budget, so when you do that, you have to build everything. Nothing comes assembled, but it's going to be beautiful. The couch, it did come assembled. That will go here, some side tables, and some draperies. And the goal was to be able to give his mom and her kids a beautiful space to gather. This is where they're going to live.
Slow.
So we're going to make it faster and more efficient because I suggest if someone's going to have their butt on something, you definitely want it to be secure with not a human hand, but at least a drill. So these little Allen wrenches, $10 on Amazon, worth every penny. So you can put it in. That's
not one.
I'm unwrapping everything that they purchased for the design details just so they can see what they have to work with. We are styling a bathroom, and something I always recommend, cooking spray and some greenery. Of course, we have this little candle, extra toilet paper. The mosquito juice is on the wall and on my leg, but good thing we have magic eraser to take that guy right off.
Yeah, let's do that because I think it looks so much cuter like that.
This is a rainbow. If you want to switch a shelf, just reverse the hardware. Boom! So exciting. I love when the bundles go all over the United States. So fun. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. Let me show you. Show you the impact of lighting. It was a boob light before, and now we have this lovely little chandelier. And the builders didn't center it, so we did have to swag it, which isn't my favorite thing to do, but I love how it turned out. And how much do you love this gorgeous Anthropologie wallpaper? The walls were textured, and you'd never know it because of the metallics and all the movement. That's how you get away with using wallpaper on textured walls. These were Wayfair find, Home Goods. This was an install on a budget, you guys. So all of this is super, super affordable. Target stools. This gorgeous color is called Mount Etna from Sherwin-Williams. It's some paint I had left over that I thought would be brilliant with that wallpaper. Target online. Again, we didn't touch too much in the kitchen, but I have to go home to get a couple accessories, but we just cleaned it up a little bit. This was a painting that the client had and loved, and I thought it was perfect there. And this table the client already had, but we bumped it down to use it kind of for the foyer area, and found this on Wayfair, Home Goods, Target, West Elm. You gotta have the high and low. And this little guy we found at Home Goods. So there's some functionality with her hooks and everything in the foyer. And then it's all one thought and idea. We even got to touch on the powder bath, which is super fun. I just switched out the builder stuff with black, and you have lots of functionality in here, and it ties together with the other pictures. And this is the inspiration, the whole space. The rug inspired the colors. According to my conversation with her mom, she loves coastal, but I love doing coastal without the seashells. So we pulled in some of the blues and the texture of coastal, even on the mirrors, and the mirrors reflect light, which is nice because it's a smaller space. I love these gorgeous curtains from West Elm. The rose color, it was inspired by the rug, but I wanted to tone it down a little bit. This was a beast to build. I'm sorry, my dad didn't build it, he put it together. That was a Wayfair find. Some of the pillows were from West Elm, and then some Home Goods. The couch actually reclines and can plug in your phone. How fun is that? We didn't know about the lighting situation. We thought that they were all can lights. So thank you, Home Depot, that rescued us today with that light. And I loved bringing the round element into the space. It's so much prettier in person. Hi! 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 It's nice to see you!
I'm so excited!
Oh my goodness! I'll fall over. Wow!
That's so cool!
Wow! Beautiful!
We left her, it was empty!
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It doesn't even feel like the same space. This is...
Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. Because of our subscribers, people who are loving on you, the whole goal is to know that there is hope and there is life after divorce. And I know you guys have been through a lot this year. Your mom has had 5 surgeries and just the struggles, and it's like, there's happy.
Stop it! Don't make me cry!
Just know that you are loved, and for anyone who's ever bought a subscription or bought a bundle, thank you. Because
God, thank you. You guys worked so...
yeah, Free Spirit team killed it today. This could never have happened without my team. My husband hung your beautiful wallpaper. Tandy painted that. Everyone was assembling. Lisa and I were hanging things, and it was amazing. Oh, there it is. Tori whacked her head today. The Free Spirit bundle.
Woo, for Spirit!
Do you have any words of wisdom, Scott?
No.
Yes. America runs on Dunkin'. Test. Oh yeah.
Are those recliners?
Oh yeah. Wow, this is right.
Very, yeah. I'm like walking over to the camera.
Oh look, we have another candle.
Shot.
Yay!